Alright guys, this is at Dad's request, so Dad, but mainly the gang. Gotta do this quick because Chrissy's battery is gonna die. But anyway, this is my truck. I got done cleaning it today. I even waxed and buffed it, so here's. It's got some battle scars on the side. The screen back here isn't working, so I'm just shooting and hoping it comes out. Kind of looks like Dad's Jeep. Bumper got ripped off. It's my homemade snorkel right there. Bed's still dirty. That's alright. Toyota, baby. That's right. There's like no interior except for the seat. Listening to Trent Tomlinson, Dad. How about that? It's my subwoofer box. Headliner's in great shape. And that's about it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.